Question for you. Are your clients really happy with you? You know the answer to that question? Because it could be the beginning of the end for your business if you're not sure what's going on. My name is Beckenham, the Village Marketer, and hear me out just for 2 minutes. When it comes to your prospects and clients, are you really paying attention or are you just going through the motions? This is really important, okay? Please do not take your clients and or your prospects for granted. Never assume anything. The moment you start doing that is the moment you start losing them. To stay top of mind with your prospects and your clients, you need to give them all the attention they deserve and exceed what they expect. Hear that carefully. Exceed the attention that they expect from you. Make it memorable. And by the way, once they become a client, you better keep paying attention to them and make them feel very special, or I promise you, someone else will. This is a very competitive world we live in right now. It's skeptical, there's uncertainty. And if you are not providing memorable experiences for your clients, then they're going to go elsewhere. And these memorable experiences will create meaningful value for your clients. And to maintain that sort of meaningful value, it requires persistence, extreme focus, and radical attention. I want you to think about your clients right now. I mean, just pick one and think about that person and then answer the following questions, if you can, about that particular client. What's happening right now inside their business today? What changes, if any, are they hoping to introduce within the next month? What problems may they be facing? And even more importantly, what problems may their clients be facing right now? If you can't answer these questions for your clients, then be prepared to start losing them pretty well straight away. But it's not all doom and gloom, okay? Message me is your next step. Message me for some ideas about how to create memorable experiences and memorable moments for both your existing clients and your potential clients. Until next time, best wishes from Thailand. Bye for now.